Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation on a long flight. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and a flight attendant. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What happens if you ask for a blanket too late on a flight? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Here we are, seats 24A and 24B. That's us.
Finally! I can't believe we're really doing this trip.
10 hours together. Are you ready?
I think so. Can you help me with my bag? It's a little heavy.
Sure. Let me put it in the overhead bin, the storage space above our seats.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Are you excited?
Yes, but a little nervous too. This is my first really long flight.
Don't worry. It'll be great. Just relax and enjoy it.
Okay, should I put my seatbelt on now?
Yes, they usually ask us to keep it on until we're in the sky.
Got it. I'm buckling it now.
Good. How do you feel?
A little strange, actually. I don't know what I'm allowed to ask for on a flight like this.
What do you mean?
Like, can I ask for water? Can I ask for a blanket? I don't want to bother anyone.
You can ask for almost anything. Don't worry. That's part of their job.
Even small things?
Yes, really. Water, a blanket, extra napkins, anything like that. They want you to be comfortable.
That makes me feel better. I always just sit quietly and wait.
I used to be like that too, but now I just ask. It makes the flight much easier.
Okay, I'll try to be brave this time.
That's the plan. Oh, look, they're closing the doors now.
We're really leaving. I'm so excited.
Me too. Let's have a great trip.
Yes, let's do it.
By the way, do you want the window seat or should I keep it?
You can keep it. I like the aisle seat better, the one next to the walkway.
Okay, that works well for me. I love watching the clouds.
I know. You always take pictures out the window.
I caught you. It's just so pretty up there.
How many hours is this flight again?
About 10 hours, I think.
That's a long time.
We can watch movies and eat some food.
Sounds like a good plan.
We're finally in the air. That was a smooth takeoff.
It was. I didn't feel nervous at all.
See? Nothing to worry about.
The seatbelt sign just turned off.
Yeah, now we can relax a little more.
I think I'll loosen my shoes and get comfortable.
Good idea. It's going to be a long flight.
Ow, my ears feel really funny.
Oh, that happens sometimes when the plane changes height.
It's like there's pressure inside them.
Try swallowing or yawning. It usually helps.
Let me try. That's a strange feeling.
Did it help?
A little bit, yes. My ears feel a bit better now.
You can also try chewing gum if you have some.
I don't have any with me, but I'll remember that.
It happens a lot during takeoff and landing.
Good to know. Look, here comes the drink cart.
Perfect timing. What do you want to drink?
Maybe just some water for now.
Same here. I'll ask for 2 waters, please.
Thank you. This seat is actually pretty comfortable.
Yeah, not bad for 10 hours.
Do you want to try my neck pillow later?
Maybe later, thanks.
Right now, I just want to enjoy the view.
Me too. The clouds look amazing from up here.
They really do. I never get tired of looking out the window.
Same. It's one of my favorite parts of flying.
Do you want to lower the window shade a bit? The sun is pretty bright.
Sure, that would help. My eyes are getting tired from the light.
There, that's better now.
Much better, thank you.
Are your ears still bothering you?
A little, but not as much as before.
Good. It usually gets better once we're flying at the same height for a while.
That makes sense. It felt worse right after we took off.
Excuse me, could I get a blanket, please?
Of course, sir. Let me get one for you.
Thank you so much.
Here you are. Anything else I can help with?
Actually, yes. Could I also have a cup of water?
Sure. I'll bring that right away.
I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. Here's your water.
Thank you. Can I ask you something?
Of course. Go ahead.
Do you always have enough blankets for everyone on the plane?
Actually, that's a good question. We only carry a limited number, so it's good you asked early.
Really? I thought there was one for every seat.
A lot of people think that, but it's not true. We only load a set number for each flight.
So what happens if someone asks late?
Sometimes we run out, and we have to say sorry. It happens more on longer flights.
Wow, I didn't know that. I'm glad I asked now then.
Yes, you were smart to ask early.
I'll remember that.
A lot of passengers are surprised by that.
Thank you for explaining that.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else during the flight.
I will, thank you.
Enjoy your flight and try to get some rest.
Thanks, I'll try. This blanket will help a lot.
I'm happy to hear that. Just press the button above your seat if you need me again.
Will do. Thanks again, Grace.
Anytime.
Well, thanks again for the blanket and the water.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful flight.
Sam, look at all these movies on the screen.
Nice. There's so many choices.
I asked for a blanket earlier, but it hasn't come yet.
Really? Maybe ask Grace again when she comes back this way.
Good idea. I'll ask her the next time she passes by.
I'm sure she'll bring one soon.
I can't find the headphones, though.
Check the seat pocket in front of you.
Oh, here they are. They're still in a closed bag.
Yeah, that's why they look so clean.
Are these headphones new?
I think so, but it depends on the airline.
That makes sense. I feel better using them now.
Yeah, it's nice knowing they look unused.
Okay, let me open the bag. It's harder to open than I thought.
Here, let me help you.
Thanks. Okay, I'm plugging them in now.
How's the sound?
Pretty good, actually. Not bad for free headphones.
What are you going to watch?
I think a comedy movie. I want something light and fun.
Good choice. I'm going to watch an action movie.
Let's watch together sometime during the flight.
Sure, maybe after we eat something.
Sounds good. This screen has so many buttons, though.
Yeah, you can also listen to music or play games on it.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, there's a whole music section too.
I'll check that out later. For now, movie time.
Enjoy your movie.
You too. Thanks for helping me with the headphones.
No problem at all.
Do you know if there are any movies from my country?
I think so. Check under the World Movies section.
Oh, you're right. There are a few. That's nice.
Yeah, most flights like this have movies from many countries.
That's great for long trips like this one.
Definitely. It helps the time go by faster.
I'm going to start my movie now.
Me too. Let's talk again after it finishes.
Sounds good. Enjoy.
You too. See you in a couple hours.
Do you smell that? I think they're bringing snacks.
Yes, the cart is coming this way.
I'm getting hungry.
Me too. What do you want?
I'm not sure. Let's see what they have.
They usually have pretzels or cookies on this airline.
I'll try the pretzels, please.
Sounds good. I'll get the cookies.
My throat feels so dry, though.
Yeah, the air in here is really dry, so it's good to drink water often.
Really? Why is that?
The air outside the plane is very dry. That makes the air inside dry too.
I didn't know that. That explains why my lips feel dry, too.
Yeah, it's a common thing on long flights.
I should ask for more water then.
That's a good idea. I'll ask for some for both of us.
Thank you. I also want to put on some lip balm.
Good idea. I always bring a small tube for long flights.
Can I use some too?
Of course, it's a tube, so just twist a little out.
Thanks. My skin feels dry too.
Yeah, that happens a lot. Drinking water really helps.
I'll try to drink more then.
Here comes our water now.
Perfect timing. Thank you.
You're welcome. How are the pretzels?
Really good, actually. A little salty, but tasty.
The cookies are great too. Do you want to try one?
Sure, thanks. Let's share.
Here you go.
Is the air always this dry on flights?
Yeah, pretty much on every flight I've been on.
I wonder why they don't just add more water to the air.
It's hard to do that on a plane, so they just keep the air fresh instead.
That's interesting. I never really thought about it before.
Most people don't notice until their throat feels dry like yours.
I'll bring my own water bottle next time.
That's smart. It really helps on long flights.
Do you want more water now?
Sure, let's ask for one more cup each.
Good idea. I'm still a little thirsty.
They just announced we're starting to land soon.
Already? That went by fast.
Yeah, time to put our seats back up.
Okay, doing that now.
They gave us this arrival form to fill out too.
Oh, right. I completely forgot about that.
It's not too hard, just some basic questions.
Do you have a pen I could borrow?
Here, you can use mine.
Thanks. What do I write here for purpose of visit?
Just write tourism if we're traveling for fun.
Got it. What about this address part?
Write the name of our hotel there.
Okay. This form has so many small boxes.
Yeah, just write clearly and it should be fine.
I always get confused about the date format.
Let's follow the order printed on the form.
Thanks. That helps a lot.
No problem. Almost done?
Just a few more lines. Can you check mine when I'm finished?
Sure. I'll take a look.
Thank you. I don't want to make a mistake.
Don't worry. They're usually easy to fix if something's wrong.
That's good to know. Okay, I think I'm finished now.
Let me check. Yeah, this looks great.
Thanks for your help.
Sure thing. Let's put our tray tables up now.
Right, and my bag should go back under the seat.
Yeah, they'll be checking soon.
I'm getting a little excited now. We're almost there.
Me too. Landing is one of my favorite parts.
Really? I always get a little nervous during landing.
It's usually smoother than takeoff, so try not to worry.
I'll try. Can you hold my hand for a second?
Of course. We'll be on the ground soon.
Thanks. I feel better already.
Look, you can see the city lights below us now.
Wow, that's a beautiful view.
Yeah, it always looks amazing at night.
I'm so glad we get to see this together.
We landed. That flight went by pretty fast.
It really did. I can't believe we're finally here.
How are you feeling?
Great, actually, but a little cold now.
Cold? Didn't they give you a blanket earlier?
Actually, mine never came, but I wasn't cold, thanks to you.
Wait, what do you mean?
You gave me half of your blanket a few hours ago, remember?
Oh, right. I forgot about that.
I noticed you didn't have much left for yourself.
It was fine. I didn't mind sharing.
That was really kind of you.
That's what friends are for.
Still, thank you. I stayed warm the whole flight.
I'm happy to hear that.
Grace did say blankets sometimes run out.
Right. She told me they only carry a limited number.
I guess mine was one of the ones that ran out.
Good thing I asked for mine early then.
Lucky for both of us.
Okay, let's get our bags from the overhead bin, the space above our seats.
Sure, mine should be right here.
Got it. Ready to go?
Yes, I'm so excited to start our trip.
Me too. That was a great flight overall.
It really was, thanks to you asking for everything we needed.
I told you, it's okay to ask.
I'll remember to ask early like you did.
Let's go through passport control.
Right behind you.
Do you want to grab some food after we get our bags?
Yes, please. I'm starving now.
Same here. Let's find somewhere to eat first.
Sounds perfect. This trip is starting really well.
It really is. I'm happy we're here together.
Me too. Thanks for planning this trip with me.
Of course. I can't wait to see what's next.
Same here. Let's go explore.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What happens if you ask for a blanket too late on a flight? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.